Sorry, guys. That's good that life found me then. I didn't put it on YouTube because my mom.
What's the point in saying that?
Sorry, guys, I didn't put it on YouTube. That's good that life found me. That was a firework because it's Bonfire night. My brother's busy playing on the Xbox. And
Hi! Hi! I'm going to be YouTube famous now. Oh my god, I'm the best. I'm the best.
we're going to set fireworks off after tea.
Yeah, the best.
Okay, so.
And Frankie's the crappiest YouTuber of all time.
That's wrong!
I'm going to make a remix on that. Whee!
And where Liverpool's the best!
No, it's not. There's probably loads of Everton fans watching this.
Liverpool, if you like Everton fans who's watching this, I do not like yous.
They're going to dislike your video.
Stop! My brothers keep spinning me. My brother is so annoying. That's him. Don't. My
You
brother.
like that?
My brother's online. Yes.
Frankie, push the control off the.
Jay's done it. Spinning me. Jay's spinning me. So I'm kind of like shocked as my brother. He like spinning me.
You spin me round, baby.
Stop it!
Why?
Okay, bye guys. My brother's so annoying then.